Meet Rocco. He's my Roan Appaloosa Mini. He's never gonna get bigger than that. He's just a sweetie. And Pollux, one of my mini donkeys. He's so huggable and lovable. And Natsumi, she's my coming into summer Japanese Gypsy Vanner Percheron Cross. She's only 3 years old and trained by a little Amish boy. I'm so grateful for this lovely herd. And of course, you guys all know Rohan, who came in my life right when I lost my lovely boy Thunder. Meet my herd. To get in your carnivore or ketogenic macros, should you eat 1 meal a day, 2 meals a day, or 3, or 5? Let's get into it. Welcome everyone to my crazy life where a storm came like this, and then a tree fell over my fence and almost knocked it out. So I've been outside cutting by hand with a handsaw this tree off the barbed wire fence. I digress. Let's get into the subject about how many times a day you should be eating your keto or carnivore meal or low carb, high fat. Basically, I got this video idea because a woman was saying, I eat twice a day and that should be good enough to not overeat protein. And I thought, you shouldn't have to eat just twice to then not overeat protein. And then I thought, that's actually how you overeat protein, is to eat 1 or 2 times a day. That's called the intermittent fasting or fasting. It's a bad idea to not eat several times throughout the day due to blood sugar instabilities that most of you have. I'm definitely going to try my hardest to make sense out of this in one quick video. We are broken. We are toxic. We have weak gut walls. We're filled with parasites, heavy metals, phthalates, blood sugar dysregulation, and we're chronically dehydrated. Kind of not like our hunter-gatherer ancestors that did not have bills and taxes and things. Yeah, we're very cortisol driven. That means we have a hard time regulating pretty much everything, especially our blood sugar. When you just eat twice a day, your body still needs food for energy. And getting into ketosis is quite difficult to be highly adapted in a deep state of ketosis where your body doesn't have to eat itself to stabilize its blood sugar. If your body has to go into the body factory and make energy out of your own body, you're already compromising your immune system. That's why people try to do high-fat carnivore, but the macros are so stupid. Gurus still pushing high-fat carnivore. People have no idea what is high fat. They think eating their ribeye is enough fat. It's not. Then when you're not eating enough fat because you're just relying on gristle fat and not adding rendered fat, and you're eating twice a day, you're even more so jacking up your blood sugar. But then there's the crazy concept that if you eat all the time, 5 meals a day, you're going to skyrocket your blood sugar. Skyrocket. What? This is the dumbest thing I ever heard in my whole life. If you're eating 5 times a day, you're eating tiny little meals. That is not going to give you a massive insulin spike nor blood sugar. It's eating twice a day, running around like a chicken with his head chopped off, and then you get home and you're starving, and then you just woof down the protein. Not only are you eating too much protein, but you're eating the protein so fast, the blood sugar just goes, brr. Now you've got to digest that protein that you overate, which takes hours. You go to bed and you toss and you turn and you toss and you turn because your body had to go clock in, back at the job to break down that protein, which it doesn't break down protein very well that late because your body's trying to rest, right? It's trying to rest, not run a marathon breaking down food. So it doesn't. It putrefies and rancidifies and then you can't sleep well. The idea that eating 5 times a day is going to make your digestive tract overwork. We're designed to digest food. Where do they come up with this nonsense? It's the fact that we do not rest and lie in a hammock reading a book while we're going feast and famine. If you are not going to eat, do nothing. Conserve your energy, but we do not know how to do that as modern humans. That is why you eat 5 times a day, small meals, to balance your blood sugar. Balanced blood sugar. So you have small insulin spikes and blood sugar spikes rather than large ones because you're starving. Because us modern humans don't know how to conserve energy. If you do not eat all throughout the day and you have blood sugar dysregulation, the blood sugar swings more. You rely on your adrenal system to keep your energy stable. Which is why so many people look wrecked. Yes, a lot of pressure on the hypothalamus, pituitary, adrenal, thyroid axis. Thyroid's going to have to crank down T3 because you don't have the energy to get through your day. You cannot rely on cortisol to keep you going. That'll age you real fast. Dysregulate your blood sugar. And then you try to do a carnivore diet. And then these people are like, oh my God, I lost 60 pounds and I have no problems on a carnivore diet. Like, people are so dumb. Everybody has problems. I'm not stressed. Everybody's stressed. If you go out and breathe the damn air, you stress, right? Plastics and garbage in our water. So it's about navigating through your day as a modern human and connecting to a circadian rhythm and eating small meals so you can get in that fat throughout the day and not overeat your protein at night and then get into ketosis and have your blood sugar balance so you can heal that broken gut so you don't have to eat meat all the time. I know. You can choose to have plants and your body will know what to do with the anti-nutrients. We are designed to purge out the oxalates. We are designed to be able to handle the anti-nutrients as long as we have a strong gut wall because we have stabilized our blood sugar. We've had enough detoxification with binders. It's a whole thing. 5 times a day, not 3, 5, especially if you don't have regulated blood sugar. If you're in ketosis and you find your homeostatic balance and you go hug a tree and kiss a horse, you can eat. Oh, and sit in a hammock. You can eat twice a day. But really, if you're really metabolically balanced, you can eat 3 times a day. No problem. Most people are broken. They need to eat 5. They need to get their potassium in and their sodium and drink that water and get enough fat throughout the day to get into ketosis. Comment below. Are you confused? Are you like, you're ridiculous. It's so stupid. Comment below. Share this content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you guys feel like you need a consultation trying to transition between these diets, I don't just do one. I do all 3. Keto, carnivore, and low-carb, high fat. I also run a course going through all this information. And I'm out. Energy-ish. No, I always have energy. I have life energy. That's a whole nother conversation about how the body heals through just mind-to-body connection. And I'm out. Peace.